Novatech from the beginning started out to do one thing and do it well, which is sterile manufacturing. That's our focus. No matter what we're doing throughout the course of the day, our focus is on that sterile manufacturing.
For more than 3 decades, family-owned Novatech has dedicated itself to becoming the premier manufacturer of aseptic animal health products. Today, many of North America's top animal health distributors trust Novatech as their go-to source for large volume parenterals and contract manufacturing. In an industry where the lines between animal health and human health companies continue to blur, we have stayed true to our singular focus on animal health.
When Novatech came on board in this particular line of products, we knew that's where we wanted our focus to be. And so that would be number one.
That's what separates us from those large human manufacturers. This product line is our bread and butter. It is what we do. It isn't something we do when we don't have the order for higher margin product. This is what we do.
At Novatech, sterile manufacturing is accomplished by aseptic processing at every stage of manufacturing. Product is sterilized and dispensed into the sterile container closure system in a sterile environment by a gown technician. It sounds simple, but to do it correctly and consistently requires strict control from raw materials to finished product. And it requires maintaining that strict control at every step, every second of every day.
One thing people always say is you can't test quality into your product, you have to build quality into your product. And that's what we do on a daily basis.
Sterile manufacturing at Novatech involves continually leveraging a powerful combination of science, technology, engineering, innovation, and human talent. And most importantly, it requires strict adherence to good manufacturing practices, or GMPs, which are regulated and overseen by the Food and Drug Administration.
In our business, it's really critical to do the same process the same time after time again. It's the most important thing we can do on a day-to-day basis.
GMPs are the bricks and mortar of what we do here. GMPs guide us through every step of everything that we do, from the acceptance of the raw materials to the qualification of our runs to the release of the product to the shipping of the product.
Staying true to GMPs, staying true to the practices that are set out under GMPs, that's the gold standard in my estimation.
At Novatech, a relentless commitment to quality is ingrained throughout our company. We invest in state-of-the-art facilities, establish appropriate standards, and implement current procedures. We thoroughly train our staff and develop and validate robust processes. We conduct rigorous testing and maintain excellent documentation.
We maintain the quality through documentation. Everywhere it goes, if a pallet is moved from behind me to a spot, everything's documented. There's constant testing that goes on in the product. There's quite a story that's built into the product, so the customer knows that they're getting what they ask to get.
Critical manufacturing processes are controlled and monitored through multiple verifications and approvals, including the quality of water for injection, temperature, pressure controls, and in-process testing.
The lab is a gatekeeper for what comes in and what goes out. Each batch of the raw material come in, we will do a physical inspection, and we will do sampling and the testing of each lot, each shipment, to make sure they meet the raw material standards we have set out for.
Once the product is packaged, it is subject to a battery of chemical and biological tests. Product is released and shipped only if it passes our strict release standards.
The quality culture starts from leadership and goes through manufacturing all the way through distribution. We feel like quality is an investment not only for the current business, but also it provides support for our future growth.
That growth is already happening through expansion of our robust portfolio of container closure systems, nitrogen delivery at multiple locations along the production line to improve the shelf life of oxygen-sensitive products, multi-container closure system capability, including 250 and 500 milliliter Type 1 glass, and a monoblock filling machine that consolidates 3 processes into 1, reducing the footprint in our facility and allowing for further expansion. The combination of Novatech's nimble size, flat organizational structure, and focus on animal health means you work with a company that is flexible, experienced, and extremely responsive, and responsible.
We have always looked at our customers as being part of our integrated delivery system. We have suppliers, we have manufacturers, and we have customers, and then that customers who actually gets that product to the end user in the marketplace. And so they're part of our integrated system, and it's important for them to make a margin, stay in business.
I think another thing that sets us apart is the opportunity that we have to allow our customer to be involved in every step of the process. We talk to them, we coach each other through, we educate each other. I don't know that you always find that in a big corporate manufacturer.
We collaborate with our customer on a daily basis. We work together from the raw material standards to what they want for the finished product, how they are packaged, how they are palletized. It's very important we listen to our customers and meet their needs.
This is the only Novatech in the United States, so they get to deal with the people directly. This is your manufacturing site, your corporate headquarters, and everything in between. You'll get a direct answer right away.
A clear and uncompromising focus on animal health products. A commitment to quality, reliability, and good manufacturing practices at every step, every day. A family-owned business with a culture of compliance, collaboration, responsiveness, and unmatched customer service and communication. It all adds up to pure performance in sterile manufacturing for the animal health marketplace. Discover more about Novatech.
We're going to be here. We're going to manufacture this product. You can count on that. And so it is the basis of what we do. And I think that is one of the things that our customers realize.